take the light bulb and screw it in. Looks like I'm just holding fire in the palm of my hand. 3D firework bulb. So the brighter the sunlight, the faster it will spin. Lights up just like that.
It's on fire! Really? What is this?
EvanEraTV.com.
Stay tuned for a special giveaway at the end of the video and win all these magic light bulbs. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 5 magic tricks with light bulbs. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. This is a plasma ball. Check it out. This is super amazing. But watch, I have a little light bulb here and watch what happens when I bring it close to the plasma ball. It lights up just like that. Crazy. I'm not even touching the plasma ball. This is just lighting up on its own. It looks like real magic. But watch, if I move it away from the plasma bulb, it turns off. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick, it's extremely simple and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Now everyone's seen a plasma bulb before. It's like a super cool lamp and it has electricity inside of it. It's attracted to your hand. These are so amazing just in and of themselves. But what you probably didn't know is if you take a light bulb and just hold it near the plasma bulb, it will begin to light up on its own. You don't even need to touch it to the plasma bulb. The electrical field around it causes the bulb to just light up. Very similar to the electric touch that you saw in our How to Get Superpowers video. So as you bring it close, that electrical field just causes that bulb to magically light up. It's not even touching the bulb. But if you put it all the way down on the top, you can see it really lights up like crazy. So just my finger there on top of the bulb, and it's right down to the top of the plasma bulb like that. And the whole thing just lights up. This is a little fluorescent light tube, and you can totally control it lighting up. All you have to do is pinch the bottom, and it will turn off. If I let go, it lights up. So you could use this as a magic trick. Say, watch the bulb. Oh. Super cool magic light bulb trick that you can do at home. This is the coolest light bulb ever invented in my opinion. If you look at it, it looks like it's a shiny mirror and it's totally reflective, but watch when I turn it on. It's so cool. 3, 2, 1. This is a 3D firework bulb. It's called an infinity bulb and it looks like the most amazing indoor firework display. It looks like they just go on forever inside the bulb. This is a bunch of tiny LED lights. When it's on like this, it looks so beautiful, but when you turn it off, it turns back into a mirror and you can't see any of that. If you want to win this for free, stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna give this away to one lucky comment. So you could use this for like a party if you wanted to put these in lamps throughout your house, or just be a really cool thing to put on display in a lamp in your room. The thing is absolutely mesmerizing. I feel like I could look at it for hours. You can see there's like little stars, just little dots. Kind of reminds me of a kaleidoscope almost. In my opinion, this is by far the most captivating light bulb ever made. Hey V, can you check on the pot on the stove for me?
It's on fire! It's on fire! What? Really? What is this? Why are you doing this to me? Wow.
Now this one really looks like I'm holding fire in the palm of my hands, but it's actually just a really cool light bulb. This is called a torch lamp, like the Statue of Liberty, or it's also called a fire bulb. It's actually just a bunch of LED lights inside this plastic casing, and it mimics the look of a flickering flame. This is the perfect type of thing for Halloween or just to set a spooky mood. You can actually use this to set up a scary prank in your house. Take this, hide it down in a pot like this, put the lid on, and then freak somebody out, making them think that the stove is on fire. It creates a really cool ambiance in the room. You can use it for a lot of different things. This is actually a series of 100+ LEDs inside this bulb that mimic the motion of fire. In fact, if you look down through the top of the bulb right here, you can kind of see some of the LEDs in there blinking. So the series of blinks of the LED is what creates the fire effect. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win a magic fire bulb. I'm giving this one away to one lucky comment. This is called a radiometer bulb. It's super amazing. See the little spinner right here in the middle? Watch. It will begin to rotate just like that, and it will get super fast. Just watch. Now the reason this is happening is actually the power of the sunlight. The little wings or veins of the radiometer are alternate light and dark in color. So when the sunlight hits them, it's actually transferring the heat from one vein to the other. The white one reflects the rays and the dark one absorbs them. So the brighter the sunlight, the faster it will spin. And this is like science in action. You're seeing the power of sunlight right here. So if I shade it with my hand, you can see it begins to slow down and it will eventually just stop just like that. But if I move my hand and allow the sun to hit it again, it will instantly begin to spin again. You'll oftentimes see these featured in physics classes as a demonstration of a heat-powered engine. And I actually featured this in a previous video, and we've done a lot of other really cool magic tricks with light that you can find here, and magic tricks with science that you can find right here. In fact, I have a whole playlist of science videos that you can check out in the description. So it is the sun that makes it run. Stay tuned to the end of the video and you can win this in this week's giveaway. This is the craziest light bulb trick ever. Check this out. Normal light bulb, watch. Nothing in my mouth. Watch this. Here is the secret to the magic light bulb trick. This is a classic, and we have these available in our shop at EvanEraTV.com. The light bulb is fully under your control the entire time. You can make it light up on command and go off on command. So it's very easy to do. This requires no skill at all. You can make it light up in your hand, in your mouth. The possibilities are really endless with this. Now let me show you exactly how it works. Now you can see it looks just like a normal light bulb. You can even hand this out to your audience before you perform the trick so that they can inspect it. Now the only thing you're gonna need in addition to the bulb is some piece of metal to complete the connection between the bottom of the bulb right here and this side. So you can see when I take this ring and I contact the bottom and the side, the bulb lights up. Now let me show you what I've done on this one to make it a little bit easier. I just took a little piece of a paper clip, bent over the side like this, and I put a little piece of electrical tape right on top. That way all I have to do to complete the circuit is press on the side just like that and the bulb will light up. Whenever the circuit is completed, the bulb inside will illuminate. You can combine this with invisible thread to have a magic floating light bulb that's lit up. This is a true classic of magic and every magician should have one in their kit. We have them available now at EvanEraTV.com. Head over to the link in the description and pick one up today, or stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win a magic light bulb for free. This is a different model of magic light bulb. Check this out. If I just concentrate, it'll light up just like that. Now you can find these at pretty much any store like Lowe's or Home Depot. This is an LED battery backup bulb. It has a little switch right here, and these are actually used like for a flashlight if the power in your house goes out. You can take this out of the lamp and use this switch to light your way around your home. Now if you have the switch off, it works the exact same way as our magic light bulb in that if you touch the side and the bottom at the same time, it completes a circuit and lights up the LED inside. Looks like real magic. And if you don't want to go out and buy one in stores, stay tuned for the end of the video and win this one for free. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it too. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, be sure to check it out right over here. And be sure to subscribe to the channel because you still have a whole lot to learn and I still have a whole lot of new magic to show you. And it's giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic light bulbs from this video. If you want to win them, leave a comment in the comment section down below and be sure to hit the thumbs up on this video. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are appearing on the screen right here. To claim your prize, send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.